Okay, so in the last three parts of the videos, or the last three parts of the playlists, we have seen about the details or further details about HTML, and in this video we will get a detailed account on CSS. I will also show you a special way, or you can say a special trick to create an HTML document with no coding. Okay, so let's proceed. Open Sublime Text. This was the first previous coding. I will just open a new document. I will save as, here I will save as style, style, style. Remember the format .css. We have to the HTML document should be saved as .html, and the CSS document should be saved as style.css. I have used any name style. Okay, then I'll save it, and it will look like this. See, like this it will look like this. Okay, in the style.css, at first I will write something here in the p tag, something to add style. In the p tag we can write something called p tag high. Close the p tag. Then I will write h1. Then I will close it, and then I will write this is a GADING heading. Then I will close h1. Okay, now I will show you how to add CSS. Okay, at first within the head tag, means here we will there are two options: either edit in this document style.css, or you can edit in the same document with h.html with the tag named style tag, style. It is a tag called style tag. The type you don't need to specify, text.css, you don't need to specify that. Okay, there is a default value of CSS, means default basic code of CSS, such as the name of the tag, then second bracket starts, then enter, then the specific attribute, and then after enter that second bracket closes. I'm showing you, such as body. Okay, wait, I'm removing the align equal to center, this one, body. I'll give a gap, open the second bracket, close the second bracket, like this, and here I will write background color blue. Means background color blue. Okay, so background color with a semicolon blue, and then with a colon blue, and then semicolon. After that I will set, suppose, just as we did in the font tag font face, here we can display as font family. We can display Times New Roman. Okay, just as we can set font size. Here we can set 30 pixels, the size of the font. Okay, then there is another line height, means you have seen, I think, line spacing, it's also called in Word. Okay, this I will keep it as 50 pixels. 50 pixels means quite big spacing. Okay, and text align, or just simply align align content equal to center, align items equal to center, align self, just a second, align self, or I will just write align text T, or text align, which is center. Then I will save it, and when I will run it, okay, I'm adding one thing more, text. Okay, there is no tag with this. Okay, just now I'm running it. Okay, it was a blank area. See, this is made with CSS. Hi, this is a tutorial. This all have been centered with CSS. The background has been became blue with CSS, and all these. Okay, here I can set the font size to 20 pixels, which will give no adverse effect to me. Let's open the tab, and I will reset the zoom, and see when I refresh it, the size will become smaller. Okay, and then I will the background color I will change into white. Okay, then I will save it. See, background color is white. Now it's a normal. This same can be done in body. I mean that CSS file. I will remove the style. In the style.css, I will just put it here like this. When I have removed it, so what do you think? The style will come or not? Yeah, it will come. And I will remove. Okay, sorry, I saved it. I forgot to link only. Okay, now this is a separate document. This is a separate document. Now we have to link both the documents. So how to link? I will use the link tag. Link rel style set type text css href style style dot css. Okay, link rel style sheet type text css href style dot css. Okay, you need not to specify the type attribute. If you want, you can specify. Okay, now here I'm saving. Let's see in the here. Yeah, so if I change it to yellow, for example, why this writing yellow and save it, then it will be, yeah, yellow. So now the CSS document and the HTML document has been linked together with link rel style sheet href, the path of the linked file. Okay, I will return to there, and now I will show you a few more things. Okay. Okay. If I can also change it as background color, I can remove it and specify it as P. Only so it will apply only to the P tag. For example, if I see in the P, I have written high, so it has came to the center. And other these two lines, this is in the body, and this is in the H tag, H1 tag. So this has no formatting, but in this has in the P tag. So I have specified the P tag, so it has become like this. I can also specify it separately by using like this. I can specify the H1 tag. Means when I will run it, the H1 tag will be also be specified like this. And you can also remove it. So this is the formatting option. Hence you can specify different tags with different attributes. I'm keeping it the body. Okay. Now I'll show you how to add different buttons in HTML. Okay. So so we will again add style tag, which I have just removed it. We'll again add style tag. We will remove the text, then we will expand it further. So before adding the style, I am adding the buttons. Just watch closely. At first I am using P tag, align equal to center, sorry style sheet note, center, center. Then I'm using button tag, it's called the button tag. So button, are you naming the button as home? In the attribute of that button I'm using class equal to, this is all you have to remember, button, 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 again button, utton 2. This button 2 you have to keep common for every button you create if all others of same category. For example, I've created it, then on click I'll use on click document location, use document document dot location, document dot location equal to, remember the tutorial I have made, I am linking with that tutorial. So another document, so I am using just single inverted comma, tutorial tutorial dot real dot html, then I'm closing the inverted comma, and then double inverted comma also closes, then button ends. Okay, so this button will give me what, let's see home. When I click, I am getting to the new file. So now let's customize this home button with CSS. Okay, so we will add CSS in the style. At first we will use dot button and within double brackets, second bracket, but border at first, border none, then color, suppose I am adding a hex color, I'm adding a hex color which is hash FFF5 F5. This is a hex color. This means I hope light pink, very much light pink. Okay, then we will use padding. Padding means the distance between the text on the cell and that button, between two buttons, as we have done cell padding. Padding equal to 10 pixels and 25 pixels respectively. Then we will use text align equal to, we will use center. Already we are using text align equal to center, so we need not to align P align equal to center. So I have aligned. Text decoration, this is an important attribute. Text decoration equal to none I'm using now because it is a high level CSS. Okay, display, okay, display inline block, okay, then I will use font size font size 20 pixels, just 20. Okay, then margin, which is 4 pixels by 2 pixels. Okay, next is transitions duration. I'm using a transition. Okay, just you will see the thing. Transition duration as 0.4 seconds. Okay, then I will use cursor. C cursor, which uses pointer. Sorry, pointer pointer. Okay, one ends. Then I will use but dot. Again I will get dot. And I will use button 2. Then with button 2, I will again open the angle brackets, and then this button 2 specifies this button. Okay, for this I have used button 2. Button 2 background color equal to, I'm changing the background color now, hash FFF FFF5F, the same as which I have specified at the top, so both will be same. FFF5F5, just as I specified at the top, both are the same. And then next is color, COLO. Color is black, BLACK. Color means text color. Okay, then dot. Then I will use button 2. Again I will write button 2, and this time I will button 2 with a semicolon, colon. I will use hover. Button 2 hover means when I hover my mouse pointer through button 2, an animation will be seen. What is that animation? I will change the background color with another X color, which is FFB FF9. I'm just using hex color. These are all colors just, and the color will change to hash FF00 E6. Okay, I'll save it. Now I will just simply run it. See, this is the color. I wanted to match the background color, but just a second. Matching the background color style. Background color. What is the color here? Yes. I will use the background color as this. So Control S, save it. Yes, refresh it. See, now the background color has become this. When I hover it, see, when I hover my mouse through this, the background color becomes pink, and the text color becomes deep pink. And when I click on it, I have been linked to the another file. So I have been redirected. Okay. So you just saw how to add a button. I can add same buttons like this. I will use another button which I will link as T1, which I have created first, T1.html and T1, and then I will use this. See, there are 2 home tags. The second home tag will redirect me to T1, and the second home tag, first home tag will redirect me to T2. This is how we can create button with animation and using CSS. Okay, this is a basic of CSS, and I will told you that I will show you another trick to create an HTML document. Okay, I'm showing it now only. Just open, I'm opening my folder. We are opening my new Microsoft document. Here, there is a nice trick. Okay, first I'm taking it as high. Then again I am writing high. I'm just zooming it. in the margin I am taking it as narrow, and this second high it's using bold. I'm using many high. uh, this I am using increasing the size, and then I am using it as times New Roman. I have taken it bold. I have taken it italic, and then I have taken it as underline. Then I have taken this as spacing, condensed spacing. Okay, this I have taken as expanded spacing. This all I'm doing is to see it, and this I have taken as subscript. No, 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 not subscript. Okay, then H2O. Sorry, O. I'm removing the bold, and I am using it as subscript. Then O2, or sorry, A square. A square. Okay, just as I need here. Okay, here I have added. Then I will insert an image. I will insert an image here. I'm just doing the Word document, just see it. I will insert an image. So suppose this image. This image I will insert. Okay. Now I will insert a shape. Any shape, suppose any shape. I've inserted it, and I will insert a link now. Hi. I will hyperlink it. Just remove the shape. Only I am linking. Link to email address. Email I am linking as all mail to all 13752 @gmail.com. Subject and recent use email address and giving us nothing. So I is linked. If I control and click it, I will use a subject. Okay. So I is now linked. Okay. So all these are made. How much time do you think it would have taken to create in this in HTML document? Too much time. But you can see this will become a HTML document. Here you can see web layout. Here, click on that. Make it a web layout. Okay. Now this, use file, use save as, browse, then use the browse button, and then save it as suppose 55. Then I will save it as web page. Save. I have saved it. Now see, all what I have done in Word just saved as in HTML. When I open the HTML document with Google Chrome, it has saved with HTML. See, all the programming, nothing. Okay, now I'll show you what they have done, the programming. See, they have done so much programming. I didn't have to do anything only. Just a second. See, they have done CSS here. Font, family, color, Calibra, math, font, color, Calibri. They have all done programming, and then they have done body, P class. They have used P tag, font family. They've all done. They have done the coding for us only. So with this, with the Word file only, you can create HTML. This was a trick, but to learn HTML, yes, it's sure you need to learn HTML, but this was a trick to I just showed you how to use this to create an HTML. But see, suppose if you're creating forms, if you're creating some table, yes, table also, if you're creating for forms, then you can't create in Word. You have to create in HTML. That is okay. So I end my total video. I end my part 4. So with the part 4, I end my HTML and CSS tutorial. I will shortly come up with a PHP and JavaScript tutorial. So please do watch that, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive my upcoming videos, and like my channel if you are happy with my video. Till then, stay safe.